Hi, I'm Emily, and this is Anna, and we're students at the University of Idaho in the Dietetics program. We are with Eat Smart Idaho, and today we're going to be talking about different drink choices. What's your favorite drink, Anna?
My favorite drink is root beer. What's your favorite drink, Emily?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Oh, I love lemonade.
What are your favorite drinks?
Okay, so when you see the colors red, yellow, and green, what does it remind you of? Emily, what do the colors red, yellow, and green remind you of?
To me, it reminds me of a stoplight.
Yeah, that's awesome. So these colors can represent a stoplight, or they can also represent our different drink options. So when we think of a stoplight, we think of go, slow, and stop. But when we think of drinks, we're going to categorize them by go drinks, slow drinks, and whoa drinks. So our go drinks are drinks that we want to have all day, every day. They help keep our bodies hydrated and keep our brain functioning well. And our slow drinks are drinks that we want to have maybe a couple times a week, and they might have a little bit of added sugar in them. And then our whoa drinks are drinks that we might only want to have on special occasions and not have all the time. So our first drink is Gatorade. Do you guys think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? Emily, do you think that this is a go, slow, or whoa drink?
I think that it's a whoa drink.
And why do you think that it's a whoa drink?
I think it's a whoa drink because it has added sugar, and maybe if you were a professional athlete, it would be really good to help after performances, but for an average person like you or me, it might not be good to have all the time.
That makes sense.
Our next drink is Mountain Dew. Do you think this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Anna?
I think that Mountain Dew is a whoa drink.
Why do you think it's a whoa drink?
So Mountain Dew has a lot of added sugar and a lot of extra caffeine, so it's not a drink that we want to have all the time. So our next drink is water. Do you think that water is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? Emily, what do you think water is? A go, a slow, or a whoa drink?
I think it's a go drink.
And why do you think that it's a go drink?
I think it's a go drink because it keeps us hydrated and it's full of lots of nutrients to help our bodies stay healthy. Our next drink is Sunkist. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Anna?
I think that Sunkist is a whoa drink.
And why do you think that it's a whoa drink?
Sunkist has a lot of added sugar, just like our Mountain Dew does, and it also, even though it looks orange, doesn't actually have any fruit juice in it. So we're not getting the extra nutrients that would come from fruit juice. So our next drink is vitamin water. Do you think that vitamin water is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? Emily, what do you think?
I think that it's a whoa drink.
And why do you think that vitamin water is a whoa drink?
Because vitamin water, even though it says vitamin water on it, has a lot of added sugar. So it might not be good for us to drink every single day. Our next drink is a Starbucks latte. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Anna?
I think that the Starbucks latte is a whoa drink.
And why do you think that it's a whoa drink?
So different coffees have a lot of caffeine, and then a latte also has a lot of extra sugar as well. So it's not a drink that we want to have all the time. So our next drink is 100% apple juice. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? Emily, where do you think that the 100% apple juice goes?
I think that it's a slow drink.
Yeah, so our 100% apple juice is going to be a slow drink. It does have a lot of sugar in it, but it's all natural sugar, and we're also getting different vitamins and minerals from the juice as well. So this is a drink that we want to have sometimes, but not every day.
Our next drink is Sunny D. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Anna?
I think that this is a slow drink.
Actually, this is a whoa drink. Unlike our 100% apple juice, the Sunny D only has 5% juice. You can see on the back by the nutrition label that it only says 5% juice, which means it has lots of added sugars to make it sweet.
So our next drink is a Coke. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? Emily, what do you think?
I think that it's a whoa drink because just like the Mountain Dew, it has lots of added sugar.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. Coke is a whoa drink.
Our next drink is a Monster. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Anna?
I think that Monster is also a whoa drink because it has a lot of caffeine and also a lot of added sugar.
You're right, Anna.
Our next drink is an Arizona tea. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Emily?
I think that it's a whoa drink because it says sweet right on there, which means it probably has lots of added sugar.
Yeah, you're right. So it's got a lot of added sugar, and one of these cans also has 3 servings. So I know that when I drink a can of Arizona sweet tea, I don't only drink a third of it, I usually drink the whole thing. So that's something that's important to remember as well.
Our next drink is 1% white milk. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? What do you think, Anna?
I think that white milk is a go drink because it has a lot of vitamins and also doesn't have very much sugar, and the sugar that it does have is natural sugar.
Yeah, it does.
And our last drink is chocolate low-fat milk. Do you think that this is a go drink, a slow drink, or a whoa drink? Emily, what do you think?
I think since our white milk is a go drink, it must also be a go drink.
So that's a really good guess, but our chocolate milk is actually going to be a slow drink. So chocolate milk still has the nutrients that white milk has, so the different vitamins and also calcium for strong bones, but it does have extra added sugar from the chocolate. So we're going to say that this is a slow drink, so we don't want to have it every single day. So just to review our go, slow, and whoa drinks, in the go category, the drinks that we want to have all day, every day that help keep us hydrated and give us good nutrients are water and also our low-fat white milk.
And then for our slow drinks in the yellow category, we have 100% juice and we have low-fat chocolate milk. And these are drinks that we want to have sometimes, maybe a few times a week, but not all the time.
And then for our whoa drinks, these are drinks that have a lot of extra added sugar that our bodies don't necessarily need, and some of them also have additional caffeine. So these are drinks that we want to have on special occasions or just once in a while. So if everybody wants to stand up, we are going to do a stretch break. So we're first going to start out by putting our hands together over our heads and leaning to the right side and hold. And lean to the left side. And we're getting a nice side body stretch. Emily, what exercise are we going to do next?
Next, we're going to stretch our arms. So put your right arm across your body and pull it tight across your chest. We'll hold this for a few seconds And then we'll do our left arm across our body and pull. What's next, Anna?
So next we're going to stretch out our legs. So if everyone could take one step forward, grab your left foot in your left hand and pull your legs so that you get a nice upper leg stretch. And we're going to stretch out the other side, so step forward with your left foot, grab your right foot in your right hand, and hold and stretch. Okay, Emily, what's next?
So next we're gonna stretch out our necks. So we're gonna do slow rolls. And just keep rolling at your own pace so it feels good for you. And we'll do 3 in each direction. Alright, switch sides if you've got your 3. Alright, Anna, what's our final stretch gonna be?
So our final stretch, we're just going to do some quick arm circles. So step forward so that you don't hit your neighbor. We're going to circle our arms forward 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're going to get back to our drink lesson.
So now we're going to count out how many sugar cubes are in each of these drinks. So that will show us how much sugar we're drinking when we choose to make these drink choices. So we'll start with the green category. So the water has 0 added sugar. So that one will get an empty cup. But the milk has 3 teaspoons of sugar, which will mean 3 sugar cubes. So you're going to count with me.
1, 2, 3.
And the white low-fat milk has 3 sugar cubes. And now Anna will do the yellow category.
So for our slow drinks, we have chocolate milk and 100% fruit juice. So for our chocolate milk, we have 6 teaspoons of sugar. Let's all count to 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our 100% real fruit juice for the apple juice has 13 teaspoons of sugar, but remember this is natural sugar coming straight from the apple. So count to 13 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And next we're going to go to our woe drinks and see how much sugar is in each of these drinks. So Emily, do you want to pick the first woe drink?
Yeah, so first we're going to count out how many sugar cubes are in a Gatorade. The sugar in a Gatorade is 9 teaspoons, so count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next we're going to do our Mountain Dew. And the amount of sugar cubes in a Mountain Dew is 19. So let's all count to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
The next drink we'll count out is the Sunkist, and the Sunkist has 18 teaspoons of sugar. So that means there's 18 sugar cubes worth of sugar in this drink. So I'm gonna have you count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
There's 18 cubes of sugar in this Sunkist.
So our next drink is the vitamin water, and this drink has 7 teaspoons or 7 sugar cubes worth of sugar. So count with me again to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The next drink we'll count out is our Monster Energy drink. And this has 13 teaspoons of sugar, and there's 2 servings in this can. So count out to 13 sugar cubes with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 sugar cubes in the Monster Energy drink.
And our next drink is the Arizona Sweet Tea, and this drink has 3 servings in it, and it also has 17 teaspoons of sugar, so 17 sugar cubes in the Arizona Sweet Tea. So let's count to 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Our next drink is our Coke, and our Coke has 16 teaspoons in this bottle. So that means there's 16 sugar cubes in this bottle. So count to 16 with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And our next drink is Sunny D, and remember this only has 5% fruit juice in it compared to the 100% fruit juice for our apple juice. So in Sunny D, we have 7 teaspoons of sugar. So let's all count to 7 to represent how much sugar is in 1 bottle of Sunny D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Our next drink will be the Starbucks Latte Mocha, and it has 11 sugar cubes in it. So if you count to 11 with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And next we're going to order all of our drinks from the most sugar to the least amount of sugar.
So now we have lined up all of our drinks from the most amount of sugar to the least amount of sugar. And the most amount of sugar is the Mountain Dew. And then we have Sunkist, we have the Arizona Sweet Tea, the Coke, the Monster, the apple juice, the Starbucks Latte, the Gatorade, the Sunny D, the vitamin water, the chocolate milk, the low-fat milk, and the water. So as you can see, there's a lot of sugar in these drinks. But our apple juice, it falls in the middle. And even though that one was a slow drink, it's already in the middle. Why do you think that is, Anna?
So like we kind of mentioned before, our apple juice has 13 teaspoons of sugar, but it's natural sugar. So we make it a slow drink because we also get the different vitamins and minerals that come from apples that are pressed to make apple juice. And then we also have some sugar in our white and our chocolate milk. Why do you think that there's sugar in milk, Emily?
So milk has natural sugar in it. It's called lactose. And so the white milk has just that natural sugar. And then the chocolate milk has the natural sugar plus a little bit of added sugar from the chocolate to make it chocolate milk. So which drinks would you choose after looking at this lineup?
So I would have water and also low-fat milk every day. And then these drinks up here with a lot of sugar, I would have sometimes. And then some of our different fruit drink options like the 100% apple juice and then also the chocolate milk, I would have maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
That's awesome. Yeah, our go-to drink should always be water and low-fat milk. Now we're going to show you a delicious recipe on how to get some extra vitamins and minerals in your drinks. So we're going to make an orange peach smoothie. So first, we're going to add all ingredients to the blender. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of orange juice, and this is 100% juice. Then we'll add in 1.5 cups of frozen peaches, 1/2 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt, 1 and finally we'll add in 1 frozen banana.
So next, all we're going to do is stick the lid on our blender and blend everything until it's a smooth consistency. So now that our smoothie is all blended, we're just going to divide it into a couple of cups. And so at lunch today, you're going to be able to try this recipe and you can cheers with a friend and enjoy your smoothie.
What a good way to get in nutrients in your drinks.
Yum!